Ford Motor Company, a name that once defined the American automotive industry. But today, the iconic brand faces an unsettling reality. Sales are plummeting, and the question on everyone's lips is, why can't they sell their cars anymore? In a world where car manufacturers are racing to innovate, Ford seems to be falling behind. How did one of the most trusted names in the industry get to this point? The automotive market is evolving faster than ever. With electric vehicles, new competitors, and changing consumer preferences, traditional brands like Ford are struggling to keep up. The latest models? They're not resonating with buyers. As electric and hybrid vehicles surge in popularity, Ford's reputation for gas guzzlers is putting them at a severe disadvantage. Their innovation pipeline seems to be running dry. I came here hoping to find a great deal, but it's like no one wants these cars anymore. It's disheartening. What's going on? The disconnect is palpable. Customers arrive hopeful, but leave disappointed. And the salespeople? They're caught in a storm of uncertainty. While competitors like Tesla and Rivian dominate headlines with cutting-edge technology and sustainability, Ford seems stuck in the past. What was once a hallmark of American innovation now feels outdated. Ford's marketing strategies are failing to capture the zeitgeist. They're not just competing against other car companies, they're competing against a cultural shift. Online, the reactions are mixed. Some longtime fans remain loyal, while others express frustration and disappointment. The conversation is turning. The voices of consumers matter, and they're speaking loudly. Ford's challenge is not just about cars, it's about perception. The financial implications are severe. With inventory piling up and production costs rising, Ford is facing mounting losses. If they can't turn this around soon, they could face a financial crisis. As the numbers dwindle, investors grow restless. The clock is ticking, and the stakes have never been higher. But all is not lost. Ford is attempting to pivot, investing in electric vehicles and new technologies. Their upcoming models promise innovation, but can they regain the trust of consumers? We're putting everything into these new designs. It's our chance to redefine what Ford stands for, but we know it won't be easy. The ripple effect of Ford's struggles extends beyond the boardroom. Local economies are feeling the pinch. Families depend on these jobs, and uncertainty looms large. It's heartbreaking. We've been a part of this community for years. Now we're just left wondering what's next. Executives at Ford know they're at a critical juncture. With strategies being reevaluated, the question remains, will they embrace change, or will they cling to the past? We're committed to innovation. This isn't the end for Ford, it's a transformation. While Ford faces challenges, they are also rolling out innovative features in their newest models. Let's dive into what makes these cars worth considering. First up is the Mustang Mach-E, Ford's electric SUV that combines performance with sustainability. With an impressive range of up to 300 miles on a single charge, it's designed for the eco-conscious driver. The Mach-E features a 15.5-inch touchscreen that houses Ford's latest Sync 4 technology, allowing for seamless connectivity and access to navigation, music, and even vehicle diagnostics. The Ford Explorer isn't just about space and comfort. It's equipped with advanced safety features. The Ford Co-Pilot 360 suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a blind spot information system. These systems are designed to help prevent accidents, providing peace of mind for families on the go. The Ford F-150 continues to set the standard for trucks with its impressive towing capacity and off-road capabilities. Equipped with a Pro-Power onboard generator, you can even power tools or appliances right from the bed. With a payload capacity of up to 3,325 pounds, the F-150 is built to handle whatever you throw at it, literally. Adventure seekers will love the Ford Bronco, which offers customizable interior options and removable doors for that true open-air experience. It's perfect for those who want to connect with nature without sacrificing comfort. Plus, with its advanced off-road capabilities and high-tech navigation features, you can tackle any terrain with confidence. For those looking to reduce their carbon footprint, the Ford Escape Hybrid offers an efficient solution. With an EPA estimated 41 mpg in the city, you can enjoy the drive while being kind to the planet. The Eco Coach feature helps you maximize your efficiency by providing real-time feedback on your driving habits. Ford is also leading the way in connectivity with the Ford Pass app, which allows you to remotely start your vehicle, check fuel levels, and even schedule maintenance all from your smartphone. With these innovations, Ford aims to keep drivers connected and in control, whether they're at home or on the go. As dusk falls on this chapter of Ford's story, the future remains uncertain. Can they adapt and rise to the occasion, or will they be left in the dust? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for updates on this unfolding story. The road ahead is filled with questions. Join us as we seek the answers. Stay tuned for more insights and updates on the automotive industry. Until next time, drive safely.